In this video, let us see the solution of question number 14 of exercise 11a. In this question, one rhombus is given, ABCD is any rhombus, and one equilateral triangle ABE is surmounted on this rhombus. Since ABCD is a rhombus, so AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD means all these four sides will be equal, and ABE is equilateral triangle, therefore these three sides AB, BE and AE will be equal. These things I have written here. One more angle is given, angle BCD equal to 78 degree. Then we are asked to find the value of angle ADE. This angle ADE, how to find this angle? If we find this angle, then this angle will be equal to this angle. Why do we say? Because these two sides are equal. This side is equal to AB and AB is equal to AE. Therefore, these two sides will also be equal. So, while these two sides became equal, then triangle ADE became isosceles triangle in which this angle will be equal to this angle. So, first of all, we'll find out angle ADE. Sorry, angle DAE. So, angle DAE equal to angle DAB plus angle BAE. DAB is the opposite angle of BCD. If BCD is 78 degree, then BAD will also be 78 degree. Therefore, at this place we write 78 degree plus angle BAE is an angle of equilateral triangle, that is equal to 60 degree. Here became 60 degree. In this way we get angle ADE equal to 78 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to 138 degree. Now, since AB equal to AD and AB is also equal to AE, okay, AB equal to AD and AB equal to AE, therefore AE equal to AD, so AED, triangle AED become isosceles triangle. In triangle AED, AD equal to AE. Therefore, these two angles, angle ADE will be equal to angle AED. Now, in that triangle, sum of these three angles, this angle plus this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 degree. For that, we write here angle ADE plus angle AED plus angle DAE equal to 180 degree. Reason, the sum of angles of a triangle. The sum of angles. Okay. Now, angle ADE and AED both are equal. Therefore, we can replace this by angle ADE. At this place, we can write angle ADE because angle AED equal to angle ADE. So, we write angle ADE plus angle ADE plus angle DAE, just we have got, that is 138 degree equal to 180 degree. So, 2 angle ADE equal to 180 degree minus 138 degree. So, this implies that 2 angle ADE equal to 10 minus 2, 10 minus 8, 2, 7 minus 3, 4, 42 degree. So, angle ADE equal to 42 by 2 means angle ADE equal to 42 by 2 means 21 degree. Angle ADE is 21 degree we got. Second angle is asked to find, that is angle BDE, this angle BDE, this one. How to find angle BDE? At first we can find angle CDA because these two are linear pair and sum of linear pair equal to 180 degree. So find angle CDA. Angle CDA equal to this Roman number 2. Angle CDA equal to 180 degree minus 78 degree. Reason is linear pair. So subtraction became 10 minus 8, 2 and 7 minus 7, 0 and 1. Now, CDA is 102 degree and this is diagonal. So, by this diagonal, this CDA is bisected. So BDA equal to how much? Angle BDA equal to 1 by 2 half of BCD. Half of BCD means 102 degree. Sorry, half of CDA, not BCD. Half of CDA. CDA is 102 degree. Region is diagonal bisects the angle. Diagonal of a rhombus bisects the angle. Okay. Now this you calculate, you are getting 51 degree. So from here to here this became 51 degree, and this much we have, this much equal to 21 degree we have got already. As this angle became 21 degree, so this will also be 21 degree, and this complete angle we got 51 degree. So angle BDA equal to angle BDE, angle BDE equal to angle BDA minus angle EDA. So angle BDA is equal to 51 degree, and angle EDA, that is equal to angle ADE, equal to 21 degree. ADE you say or EDA we say, both are same. So 21 degree, subtract it, you are getting 30 degree. So BDE became, angle BDE equal to 30 degree. Third angle is asked to find angle BED, this angle BED. So we know that angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So angle BEA equal to 60 degree. Angle of an equilateral triangle. This is the reason to say angle BEA equal to 60 degree, and this much we have got already, that is 21 degree. This angle and this angle was equal. In Roman number 1 only we have found that this angle is 21 degree. So angle BED equal to angle BEA minus angle DEA. So angle BEA is 60 degree, and angle DEA we have 21 degree. Subtract these two, 10 minus 1, 9, 5 minus 2, 30. So this became 39 degree. Question number 15 states that one figure is given 11.35. Equilateral triangle ABC surmounts square ABCD. Find angle BED represented by X. ABCD is a square and BEC is an equilateral triangle. So for that, sides of a square are equal. I have written AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Since BEC is an equilateral triangle, so these three sides, BC equal to CE equal to BE, these three sides are also equal. And we are asked to find the value of angle BEC, that is represented by X, this angle. Okay. Now we can say that this angle is 60. First of all, we find this angle. This angle, name of this angle is angle DCE. DCE equal to 90 degree, that is the angle of a square, plus 60 degree, that is the angle of equilateral triangle. So 90 degree plus 60 degree became 150 degree. Now since BC equal to EC, since BC equal to CE, because these two are the sides of an equilateral triangle, and BC equal to CD. Here write sides of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. And we write again BC equal to CD, because these two are the sides of a square. Sides of a square. So from these two, what can you write? We can write CE equal to CD. CE equal to CD. These two sides become equal, so these two angles will also be equal. So angle CDE will be equal to angle CED from isosceles property. Okay, now we write angle CDE plus angle CED plus angle DCE equal to 180 degree. That is the sum of angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle. Okay, now these two we can replace. These two are equal, so these two we can replace by CED. CDE we can replace by CED because CED and CDE both are equal. So I replace this by CED. CED plus CED plus DCE. DCE, the value we have, DCE equal to 150 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle CED equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. So angle CED equal to, this became 30 degree by 2. 30 degree by 2, that is equal to 15 degree. So CED we got 15 degree, and this complete angle BEC equal to 60 degree because that is the angle of equilateral triangle. So angle BED equal to angle BEC minus angle DEC. Angle BEC minus angle CED or DEC. CED. So BEC is 60 degree and CED we have got CED equal to 15 degree. Subtract it, 15 degree, you got 45 degree. So this angle means X equal to 45 degree. Have a look to question number 16. ABCD is a square, ABO is an equilateral triangle inside the square, find DOC. This ABCD is a square and ABO is an equilateral triangle, that O is inside the square. Since ABCD is square, so I wrote AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, and AOB is an equilateral triangle. For that I wrote AB equal to OA equal to OB. Now as we know, each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So angle OAB equal to angle OBA equal to angle AOB equal to 60 degree. Region is angles of an equilateral triangle, so those are 60 degree. Now angle OAD equal to this angle. Angle OAD equal to means this angle. This complete is 90 degree. 90 degree minus 60 degree equal to 30 degree. This angle became 30 degree. Okay, now in this triangle you are seeing that in triangle AOD these two sides are equal. Why do we say? Because this equal to this, OA equal to AB, sides of equilateral triangle, and AB equal to AD, sides of a square. Therefore these two will also be equal. OA equal to AD. I repeat, this equal to this and this equal to this. Therefore this equal to this. So OAD, triangle OAD become an isosceles triangle in which OA equal to AD. OA equal to AD. Therefore, these two angles from isosceles property, these two angles will be equal. For that I wrote angle AOD equal to angle ADO. Now in this triangle, sum of these three angles equal to 180 degree, the sum of angles of a triangle. So for that angle AOD plus angle ADO plus angle OAD equal to 180 degree. These two angles are equal, so I replaced angle AOD by angle ADO. At the place of this I wrote angle ADO because these two angles are equal. So ADO plus angle ADO plus this is 30 degree from here. 30 degree equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle ADO equal to 180 minus 30 degree equal to 150 degree. So angle ADO equal to 150 degree by 2, that is equal to 75 degree. Now ADO we got this angle 75 degree. So how much will be this? This will be 90 degree minus 75 degree because this is the angle of a square 90 degree. 90 degree minus 75 degree, that is equal to 15 degree. Similarly, we can get this angle will also be 15 degree. So this angle COD equal to 180 minus 15 plus 15, that is equal to 100 180 minus 30, that is equal to 150 degree.